Lesson 15, Trailing Stop. Stop loss order protects us when the market sentiment changes against us. We've learned this in the previous lessons. Now we'll use the stop loss order in a different manner. Trailing stop order cannot exist on its own. It can only be added to an existing stop loss. So we have to create a stop loss order. Now we open a position in any pair. Because we think that gold prices will rise, we open a buy position. After that, we add a stop loss order on 1885 price level in case of a potential loss. We did not add a take profit order. Instead, as price goes up, we'll change the price level or our stop loss order. So we'll be protecting our profit, which increases over time. Now we wait for a profit as the time passes. Now the price move is in our favor, and we have a nice profit. Now we'll change our stop loss order to trailing stop and make it follow the current price. We right-click on the stop loss order and select the trailing stop option. We are asked how far behind we want to follow the current price. We enter 50 pips, i.e. 500 points. This is only an example to make you understand better. We now change the stop loss order to trailing stop. After the change, the back color of the stop loss order field turns to yellow. In order for our trailing stop order to start working, our position must pass through the trailing distance. For instance, we define the trailing distance as 50 pips, and because our profit is now above 50 pips, our trailing stop started working. Now let's speed up the time and try to understand how our trailing stop order reacts to price movements. As you see, the trailing stop level increases if the price goes up, while it holds up its position otherwise. While we're settling for a much smaller profit when we first placed our order, now we have increased our profits step by step, with the price going in the positive direction. After a while, price goes down and touches our trailing stop. Let's look at the account history. As you see, our position closed with a profit of $1,287 US. You also can benefit from trailing stop if you think that prices will continue a trend for a while. Let's move to a next lesson.